Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a video as your background. You can use this on any section, but I'm going to be using this in the hero section at the top of our website today. You can see here I have a hero background section which is filled with an image. We're basically going to be replacing this with a video so that when a user loads your website they'll be able to see a nice video playing in the background on loop. This whole section is fit to the browser height, so it will adjust depending on the size of the viewport that the user is using. So you can see on mobile it's a bit longer than normal, but obviously this changes. So if I preview this now, you can see that this viewport height is a bit shorter and the mobile one's also a bit shorter. And then when you scroll, you see the rest of your content. So we're going to click on this hero background section, which is sitting underneath our navigation and our hero copy and CTA. And we're basically going to remove the fill so you can see that there is now nothing in this background. I'm going to click on the plus icon, come down to media and click on video and drag and drop this. Make sure that this isn't sitting within your stack and that it is sitting inside this hero background section. And now we can pin it to the bottom and pin it to the left by changing these to 0. And we'll make the height viewport height and the width relative at 100%. Now the fun part. Scroll down to video and you can see these are all the settings you'll need to be changing to change the video and the settings which it plays with. So you can source your video from a hosted video file or YouTube or Vimeo, but I'm going to be uploading it from my computer. So I'm going to choose my file. I have a cool surfing video which I will open, let that upload, and you can see here this is my video and I want it to be playing when the user loads the page, so I'll leave this as yes. Scroll down, I'm happy with all these settings. The start time will stay at 0. I would like it to loop because I don't want the video to ever stop. And I'm going to be hiding the controls. And then when I hit play, you'll see that we have a nice background video that is playing on loop and looks really nice on our website. Perfect for when the users arrive. If there's anything else you'd like to learn on Framer, feel free to drop a comment below. And remember to check out our newest Framer themes, which I will link in the description. Bye!